What is going on, everybody? This is Matt with MH Motors, Must Have Motors, and welcome back to the channel. I certainly hope everybody is having a happy holidays season and certainly staying safe for these COVID-19 times. Here in front of us, we have my latest deliveries of 1/18 scale diecast cars, and while they may not be the brand new models on the market, they are new to my collection, and some of them are rare ones that I've been looking for a while now. So first off, we'll start with the top left here. This is the Ferrari F12 Berlinetta and is made by Hot Wheels Elite in the red color. So super excited. As you may know, this is the more rare edition to find, especially in the red. So I'm really excited to get this one unboxed here coming up. We'll just move this down. The second one we have is by Auto Art, and it is a Porsche 911 GT3 RS. This is the 991 edition GT3, and it's in the lava orange with dark gray wheels. This is a composite model as well, so super excited to get this one unboxed to add to my Porsche collection. Up in the top hand right, we have the start of some UT models. This one is a white 911 GT1 by UT Models. Super excited. This one is no longer, of course, being made. UT Models is the predecessor of Auto Art, so it is very nice to be able to get a white one. I'm starting to want to collect more white, all white Porsches to add to my collection. Moving down, we have the Porsche 911 Carrera Rs. This is a 993 model, and as you know from my other video, I do have an RWB version of this 993, but I wanted to get a factory stock one to add to my collection to kind of sit them side by side. So super excited to take a look at this one as well. And the last one, we have a UT Models Mclaren F1 Gtr. This is a Le Mans road car in the color orange. This one is one of the more rare ones also to find on the market, so I'm really excited to get this one unboxed. So we'll just put them back here. Overall, all 5 of these I did purchase on eBay. A couple of them are from more or less used, as you would say, but some of them being used, they still have the factory seals and factory straps. So really excited to get those unboxed. So leave a comment down below which ones you want me to unbox first, specifically which one to start with, and I will take in consideration each of your requests. So as always, if you are new to this channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that bell notification right next to it. And if you enjoyed this video and are enjoying the happy holidays, smash that like button. So thanks again for watching, everybody, and we will see you next time.